Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out the brand new iPhone 11 in the pool. We're going to be testing out the IP68 rating in the pool. My son and I are going to have some fun. Where he is right there. And we're going to see how the phone works. Pictures, video, as well as audio and all of that stuff. Just sharing with you guys the experience with the brand new iPhone 11 that just came out yesterday. This is TK. Let's check it out. So the first thing we need to do before getting into the water is making sure that our phone is 100% intact, meaning there's no dings, no drops, no cracks, nothing. Also, the SIM tray that we have here for the SIM card that we have here, make sure it's flush all the way in, push it all the way in, and that should all be done before you get into the water, because any water that goes through those things, if you dropped it or anything like that, could potentially damage the water resistance. So we have an IP68 rating on this device. This is the iPhone 11. Yes, it's in a very yellow color. It's a yellow color. And what essentially that means is we should be able to put it in up to 2 meters of water for 30 minutes. Now, I'm not diving with this. We're using it in the pool, so we're going to be getting in and out of the water for a amount of times. But the main thing is we're going to be doing videos, slow-mo, pictures, and of course, seeing how the device works in water. But let's go ahead and see how it actually functions, or can we use it in the water. So here we have it, the brand new iPhone 11. You notice right there, there's a touch that it did by itself, and that's because of the water. So first and foremost, touch sensitivity, everything works fine. We put it in. Again, some touch sensitivity. This is some of the things that usually happen when you get in the water. If we can open up the camera itself, I can put it in here, bring it in, bring it back up. It should be fine. Now, in the pool, I can't actually take pictures. You'll notice right there, I cannot snap images. It doesn't recognize my finger. If I take it out, I can start snapping images. It'll take it. You can actually use the volume rocker to snap images in the pool. So I can go in here, click this little button, and I was actually able to take that picture, and that was from another video that we were working on. But again, if you want to take pictures or initiate video in the water, get the mode turned on and then use the volume rockers to turn it on. Actually works pretty good. I am filming this on the iPhone 11 Pro Max right now, but essentially this works really nice. Getting it in and out of the pool actually had no problem. Slow-mo video and everything worked great. The only couple of things I would recommend obviously is be aware of water in the microphone. So if you take the phone out and you want to start recording yourself, I would recommend you blowing some air into the bottom area where the the lightning port and the little area open there, mostly so you can get actually the audio to play for you and do a quick test with that. No issues with the lens. Actually, no water kept sticking to the lens, although on the Pro Max did actually have some issues. Every time I took it out of the pool, a water droplet kept basically staying on the lens, making it blurry. There was no issue with it in the pool or getting in, but other than that, it did have a little bit of an issue. The last thing is, speaking of splashes, When I did that slow motion for you guys with the splashing of the water, for some reason, after a couple of splashes, it actually registered as a false touch on the phone, even though I didn't have it in the pool, and it actually did stop the video. So that's something to be aware of. Water splashing on the phone does sometimes register as a touch. Otherwise, this is my accomplice. So I want to say thank you very much for checking out the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It is a little bit dark. We're going to end this video now. Like and subscribe as usual. Make sure you check out the video and make sure you dance on. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.